Insanity Day nothing, because I didn't do Insanity today. I did Hip Hop Abs Total Body Sculpt. I may have mentioned before that my ADD was kicking in wickedly at the end of the Insanity, and I just couldn't take to the same exercise them again. People who have better focus, like only can really stick it all the way out through the 60 days, me not really build so. But luckily I have more of Shaun things, so I put myself on a hybrid of Insanity and Hip Hop Abs, which basically, if I don't want to do the workout because I'm tired of doing it, I can go and do something else, because what is important is that I actually do something. So I do something. I do them Hip Hop Abs Total Body Sculpt. I like it because I'm get to work out with weights and so, and like you have a section that is just for leg, and like a section that is just for hand, and a section that is just for bottom. And you know the bottom section is important to me because I doesn't have no bottom at all, and no matter how much squat I do, I still don't have no bottom. So I'm very pleased with this section. Anybody but me noticed that there's a we're not going to talk about the difference in Shaun T between Hip Hop Abs and Insanity today. We're going to save that for another day. Let's just talk about Tonya, and in Hip Hop Abs Tonya was like a cup, and by Insanity she's like a full C&1/2 bursting into a D. Big up to Tonya, who took her money from the DVD and went and made some civic improvements to her body so she could earn more money. Big up to Tonya purchasing her chest. Friend, you know what you're doing. Hip Hop, I love it, you know, Hip Hop Abs. I mean, it's compared to Insanity, yes, it is very easy, but especially like the squat section is very hard for me. But I love it because like just like dancing, and then like you might do something like the freaks, so basically like you juke up your body, so like you literally juke up your body, and then like okay, Afro arms. I don't know which Afro or African, but anytime like you do so, it's Afro arms. You see the sweat that, you know, that means I'm at work. Yeah, Afro arms. I'm not quite sure about that. I'm not sure if it's racially motivated. I don't know. Anyways, I love it. So Hip Hop Abs. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do the plyometric cardio and Insanity. If I don't feel like doing it, then I'm gonna do Hip Hop Abs again. I mean, eventually I'll finish Insanity, but for right now, what is more important to me is that I work out every day. I just my focus there. Rave. Big up Shanti and all of the people them at Beach Body. Remember, say you can come join the More Fitness crew if you want. You do your workout? By the way, you're there, sit down and watch me. Have you done your workout today? If you have not, please go and do it. No, please go and do it. I'm not playing around. Go and do your workout. You're letting down the team. If you're watching this, you're on team. You're letting us down. Go and do your workout. Please. Thanks. Bye.